Today we are making a chicken shelter for our chicks using crates and zip ties. So this is how it starts off right here. We start off with one crate. We add zip ties to our fence, our existing fence, at the top right here. And then we're going to put some tarp or some heavy plastic so it can shield it from the rain. Next, we are going to add it on top to connect it right to this one like a puzzle piece. And then what we do is we add the zip ties. And there we have it. We have two of them now. Let's finish it off. Alright, wanted to show you how we all did the crate chicken shelter. So we made nesting boxes on top. They can jump up onto here. And we put a tarp to keep them away from rain. So this part right here, see how it looks? We put lined heavy plastic on the back so they can nest down here or they can rest down here. And these are the nesting boxes on top. We have the crates this way, and they can get on top of here and lay their eggs when they start laying. They're chicks still, so, but this is how it looks right here on top. The whole thing. And we'll show you when the chicks get in. I want to show you all, these are the big chickens, hens, and these are the chicks now. Now they're inside of the coop where we did the homemade coop with the nesting boxes on top, some food, and they're all right here. Here they are. Some are down here in the bigger ones thing. There's an egg down there. They're already getting settled in. The big ones aren't too happy with the little ones over there. He's making all kinds of fuss like, I don't want you in here, I don't want you in here. Look at the rooster back there. But they're all settling in.